Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Thursday morning, 18th day of July. Rich here at 10 minutes till 4 o'clock in the morning. I've been reading your comments on Facebook, and I think we're all on the same page. Everybody seems to want rain, no matter when it happens, even if it happens on the weekend. Well, the news is getting better and better on the rain chances, especially as we get closer to the weekend and into the early part of next week. I'll show you the new rainfall probabilities and also how much rain could fall. Plus, that frontal system you and I have been talking about the last few days may make it all the way down to the coast. That would be cool, huh? That's a rarity in Alabama in the summertime, and that may bring us a little bit of heat relief. Latest on that, plus a space station flyover tonight. I'm glad you're here.
There's the remnants of Barry on the map near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania this morning, just hanging on, and you could argue that the trough of low pressure associated with that system will enhance our rain chances a little bit today. I think there will be more storms to go around today than there were yesterday on the radar, and the rain chances will only get better as we get towards the weekend. So we'll call for some spotty afternoon storms for some lucky communities, more than yesterday, with today's high in the mid-90s, tonight's low around 75, and the winds are going to be light. Tomorrow, the rain chances actually pick up as a trough of low pressure in the upper atmosphere enhance our rain chances not only tomorrow but Saturday as well. So I've got the rain chances pretty high Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. With it's like last weekend. There's still going to be random with like we had with Barry, but there's going to be some heavy downpours. Then you see that blue line on the map on Monday. North of the state, that's a frontal system approaching, which will enhance our chance of showers and thunderstorms on Monday and into Tuesday. This is what the Weather Prediction Centers does with the front on Tuesday morning into north central Alabama. And then it likes the idea of taking it down towards the coast on Wednesday morning, so maybe making it all the way through. That would be a rarity, and then it makes it a stationary front right on the coast, so it doesn't go far on Thursday morning. But we're hopeful, first of all, that it'll bring us showers and thunderstorms increased on Monday and Tuesday, and hopefully somewhat drier air, perhaps, at least for the northern half of the state by the time Wednesday gets here, with thunderstorms remaining on the coast. And there's Thursday at 7 p.m., again showing that front stuck down there and probably moving northward as we get closer to the weekend. Our rain chances are pretty high Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, in the 60% range. But if you just look at that graphic, it looks like it's going to rain all the time, and that's not so. There's going to be a lot of dry hours, and the storms will be random. Highs in the lower 90s, then upper 80s on Tuesday. And probably after that, a series of days in the 80s with clouds and showers and a little relief behind that frontal system. So we're hopeful that there'll be a little break in the heat, and that's certainly good news. How much rain? Well, the models are a little generous in the 2 to 3 inch range and higher in some cases on the rainfall potential over the next few days through the weekend and into the early part of the next week with that frontal system. And, of course, that's good news for Alabama, especially down there in the southeastern counties where there is a moderate to severe drought, according to the Drought Monitor map. A new one of those comes out today. The beach forecast calling for some spotty thunderstorms on Friday, a little bit better chance over the upcoming weekend with high temperatures in the upper 80s for the most part, mid-80s by Sunday, Gulf water temperature now at 87. Watch the flags on the beach for the rip current risk. There is a great space station flyover dependent on the clouds tonight from southwest to northeast, a very bright one, a good one, 8:37 p.m. to 8:40 p.m. Look in the southwest sky first for the space station flyover tonight. It's worth your time. Tonight on my Weather Extra, the Hurricane Hunters. The Air Force Squadron is based in Biloxi. They perform an important, demanding, dangerous mission during hurricane season, flying 9-hour grueling missions into the storms. We'll talk about the Hurricane Hunters on my Weather Extra tonight at 6 and 10 on CBS 8 and ABC 32, the Alabama News Network.
If you have plans for the weekend, outdoor plans, it is not a washout. You're just going to have to be flexible. If you're going to be on a boat on one of the lakes, make sure you're watching the radar and for dangerous lightning as well. Hey, we're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9, News Talk 93.1. Meteorologist Ryan Stinnett and I talk weather on CBS 8 and ABC 32 at 5:50 a.m. And there'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45. Out in the car, out and about, anytime you want, across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. That's where you'll find my forecast. I hope you stay cool on this hot day ahead, and I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.